Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing great and staying safe, man, and wearing that mask, man. I know it's annoying, but wearing the mask is very important. And this is your boy Tyree, and if you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out new videos, you're going to be notified. It's going to help with the YouTube algorithm, all right, as well. So let's get right into it. So today's video, I'm doing the ancestry. Ancestry DNA, because it's very important. I've been sleeping on this for years now, and I waited till that special hit, you know. It was like $59. I think it's $99 now. Sometimes they always have their specials, but I was able to catch it when it was on special. You know, I like to get good deals as like models and stuff, like how the business going is like 80-90% off. So I like to get things when it's at a really good. So this ancestry is amazing because it takes a while. It takes about 6 to 8 weeks to get results as well. So you guys can see the pamphlet. It is you see the instructions and stuff like that. You see boom, 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 boom. Everything is very image and detailed, which I like about it as well. So be doing the ancestry kit. I already activate my kit, which is very important because you got to activate kit so you'll know what to do and how to do it. So kind of crazy. I'm going to be doing it right in front of you guys. So this is the kit right here. Okay, this is the kit. So I just gotta follow the instructions and stuff like that. This is the first time me doing something like this, you know. I was like gonna do this by myself, but I say, hey, you know what? Let's make the mistake. So step 1, I already activate my kit, right? Step 2, spit in the tube, and also replace the funnel with the cap, and then tighten. That's step 3. Now that's tighten to release the stabilizing fluid, and shake the tube at least 5 seconds. This will ensure your sample mixes thoroughly stabilizing solution, so our lab can best process your sample. Okay, and then you place it in the bag. This is the collection bag, right? This is a collection bag right here, guys. I just mail it off. Okay, so let's do this together. All right, this is my first time doing this, so don't laugh at me, please. So taking this off, right? Gotta take off this right here. I gotta take that off. Okay, look. So I'm just following the instructions. It's very important. I know it's gonna sound gross, but I have to spit the saliva, right, up to this black line. So, but you got to do what you got to do, right? Because I want to know my heritage. I want to know my history. I want to know my lineage, my bloodline from my mom's side and also my father's side. So I always want to know this as well. So let's do this real quickly and knock this out, okay? So All right, this is in the black line. You see, guys, I know it's gross and all. The spit is in the black line. This is my saliva. Okay, I have to remove the cap, right? Take the cap off, right? I have to take the cap off, and then I gotta tighten this. This is 1, 2, tighten to release. You will know when the blue solution is from the cap head. So I'm shaking it. So hopefully they said fake 5 seconds, and then you will know it works when the blue solution from the cap has emptied into the blue tube. Not released, that's weird. This is my first time doing this, man, so I'm just gonna knock this out. Alright, so the solution is and then from there, right? See, look. And then from there, and then I replace it in the bag, right? I replace it in the bag, and that's it. So it's kind of crazy how I'm doing this too. Place the capsule of as well, so you guys can see how everything is good. Go the solution and all that stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so it say I tighten the cap. The solution supposed to come out, but let's see. Wanted to do that in front of you guys, man. This right here, I gotta place this right here. What is it? In here. Once I place this in here, that's it. I'm done. So once I place this in here, off to the races, making it happen, man, and I'm not complaining. So just wanted to do that in front of you, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted and let you know my results in the next 6 to 8 weeks, because I gotta mail this out in the mailbox. So 6 to 8 weeks, and I'm good to go. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you again, guys. Stay safe again, and God bless, and peace. Yeah.